going to discuss a case study about change management. In the previous classes, we must have discussed about what is change management, what is its advantage, and we also discussed about how to implement change management using design thinking. So now we are going to discuss about the actual case study about how they implemented change management. So this company is called Global Tech Manufacturing Company. So they are involved in manufacturing and process industry. So it is a very big industry which involves the manufacturing of a lot of commercial products which is used worldwide. At the same time, this company is having more than 15,000 employees. So since it is located across 10 different countries, lot of employees are there and there is a lot of departments also. So for example, for manufacturing industry, there will be many important departments like the raw material department, then production department, then quality control, HR department, marketing department, like this. And industry, the manufacturing industry can have many departments. So just involve how much process they are involved. In certain cases, the communication between those departments is also very important. Okay, so for example, the production department has to make sure that raw materials are always available for manufacturing. Okay, likewise, HR department should make sure that enough employees are available so that the entire company works without any problem. Okay, so we need to understand that whenever there is a lot of departments, all departments should work with others so that the process is done efficiently, and communication among these departments is also very crucial. Okay, more adding problem to that is this company is located in different locations across 10 different countries. Okay, so there may be a situation where communication between these different offices is also very important. So first they were using email. Okay, so email is a powerful tool through which we can send the email and communicate among employees or communicate among different offices between geographical boundaries. Okay, so this email also this was working properly, but this email was unable to satisfy their performance what they were expecting. So during this COVID time, COVID-19 time and other things, they started to implement Microsoft Teams and SharePoint Online. These two applications they started to implement among those employees. So if we are having Microsoft Teams, what is the advantage we can have? Whenever we want, we can schedule a meet or we can schedule a meeting and we can make different employees to join to that meeting. With the help of video conferencing, they may discuss lot of issues. Okay, so during COVID time, people were unable to meet each other. They are unable to meet each other. So using this Microsoft Teams, they were creating online team meets and like policy makers or different stakeholders or different employees within department and across department. They were able to involve in an online meeting and they were able to conduct meeting. At the same time, they were able to share documents and they were able to communicate among themselves. So this was one popular tool which got very famous or else which is till now it is being widely used is Microsoft Teams. Like Microsoft Teams we have Google Meet, Webex Meet, several tools we have, but Microsoft Teams is much preferred because it is the standard tool and which offers more features compared to a Google Meet or a Web Meet. What is this SharePoint Online? SharePoint Online is also a powerful tool which helps them to share documents. Okay, so for manufacturing process, we may involve lot of design. Okay, lot of dimensions. Several processes important in a manufacturing process. Okay, so we need to have a model or a prototype. Based upon the prototype, they may involve in manufacturing. Okay, so this SharePoint Online was very useful in sharing resources. They were using email. Email was also very useful, but so their expectation was not met. So they started using Microsoft Teams and this SharePoint Online, which was very useful, so that they were able to perform well even in COVID situations. Yes, so this is the case study of this manufacturing. With this we conclude.